This is one of a series of short videos on Drumbridges roundabout. This covers the road ahead from Bovey Tracey to Newton Abbot. The sign on the left confirms that Newton Abbot is the second exit. The sign coming up on the left says either the middle or right hand lanes for Newton Abbot. I'm going to stay in the middle lane because I'm not overtaking anything. Looking ahead, we do have some traffic lights that we need to obey. They're just changing to green, so we can continue on in this lane. As we pass the first exit, you will see the sign confirming that Newton Abbot follows round the roundabout, so we will continue in the left-hand lane. Once the traffic lights change, we can take the exit. Watch out for the yellow box ahead. We need to keep that clear. Just because the traffic light changes to green doesn't mean that it's safe to go. Make sure we're checking the mirrors as we move across here. There's quite a change in position to the left-hand lane for the exit. Remember, the lane to your right can also exit for Newton Abbot, and that lane now needs to merge in, so watch out for overtaking vehicles. I hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching. Why not check out some of my other videos?